at, Alex?
We are at Motoland in Casa Grande.
And I'm pretty sure we got something special for you guys.
We do.
We got a big wheel here. You guys might recognize the number. If you don't, it's for Blake Wharton. So he's actually going to be taking this thing for a rip today. We're pretty excited. Right now we're learning how to fly the drone. It's completely new to us, so we're learning how to use it. And we got this guy right here. Blake had him come down. What's your name again?
Cullen from the Moto Lens.
Cool, man. And he's going to be videoing, getting some professional shots. So we're going to do more of a vlog style video today. We'll get our clips. He's going to get his professional clips, and you guys can check it out on Blake's channel. So let's get into it. We got her going. Actually works.
Down to 60%?
60%
on just a little ride.
I mean, if we can get him ripping the track after, we got 2 more batteries.
We can plug that one in
Did
too,
I mention
Karen.
it's freezing today?
Oh, it's a little chilly out
Why
today.
did I move out west if it's still like 40 degrees?
It's,
why am I here right
It's
now?
60 degrees. What do you mean?
What's happening? 60 out here feels like 40, okay? Just a little different.
A little bit.
Jump's the same. Shut this bad boy off.
You know, it does and it doesn't. Like, you do have a little more.
Just checking your chains.
Checking the chain.
Looks good.
You do have more. You have more suspension almost. It does
Yeah.
feel like.
Feeling the tire compressed basically.
Yeah, so that helps a little.
Dude, and honestly, like back home, we were spoiled with big berms. So seeing you like make a line,
Right.
like you were saying, you just got to get your line going.
You do have to cut it. Once it's in, it's a little easier.
Yep.
Like turning with it deep is tough.
Yep.
But like that's what you would. I mean, that's like a rut for one of these things. You
Yeah.
know, which is like this big. But,
Yeah, exactly.
So we'll get some before and afters, but the movements on the jumps, you know, once you have speed, it's kind of like supermoto where you have no knobbies.
Right.
It's the same when
Yeah.
you jump.
Yeah.
Momentum is momentum, and so
Yep.
it takes you going forward. But we can do some side by side.
That one was sick.
This step up.
Yeah, that was sweet. We got some good clips. Oh, dude, it looks good.
It's getting comfy.
When's the last time you rode?
It's been a while. I haven't really rode since like 2019.
Okay.
So that was the last time I was doing it seriously. Where do you want me to go? Just so we can, because this one, we kind of got to have the corner smoke in because it's hard to.
Track is groomed, but guys, this is nothing like we're used to from back home. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys, I guess, what the big wheel does to this terrain. As he was saying, just getting a line going in this chop takes a little bit. I'd say he did like, God, 5 or 6 laps, and he's got that guy going right there. go. It's a race. The old fat cat's doing all it can, RJ. He's hanging in there. Drew's Blake died, so we got him on the fat cat. Looks like you had a little boo-boo. Let's pull it up.
Okay.
Let's pick straight up.
On the bars?
Yeah. There you go. Now it's a little easier to ride.
What happened to your bike? Oh, it stopped running, and I broke this one.
Dude, you're killing it on this thing.
Yeah.
It looks sick.
Yeah, it is. It's fun. I think I could jump that step up, but there'd be a lot of torque and like a lot. I don't know.
Yeah.
Your call on if you think the.
Test our parts, dude.
Yeah. Oh, man, I can say my welds will hold.
I don't know if those bars would hold up for you hitting it though.
Oh man, I'm pushing this thing way too hard.
Did you get him casing that? No. I missed it. I heard it and I wasn't recording.
I didn't think I had that much roll speed in it. I heard it cased and I heard, oh!
Blake is killing it on this bike. He's gonna hit a big step up over in that direction. We're gonna go get the drone out so we can film that. And RJ and I are gonna ride nuts to butt on the big red back to the truck. I'm pretty excited about it.
Gonna make a sick thumbnail, I'll tell you that for free.
Absolutely, dude. ATV parts on a dirt bike and make it better or worse in some instances. That's the test. Yeah, other than that, man, it's impressive just watching you do your thing on it.
Yeah, thank you. You know, that was fun.
Really, considering you haven't been riding. You know, we just talked a few weeks ago about this whole deal, and you're out sending the jumps on it.
We had to make sure you weren't getting catfished first. That's first and foremost.
He walks in the shop, I go, I can't believe this dude's actually real. It's actually him. Surprised me. You
know, looking for some different projects, and so I always like to keep an eye out for the interesting stuff. You know, a little off the traditional path. But the question we came to answer today was, does it moto? And the answer is yes, it does moto.
It does.
Oh gosh. Hey, let's talk about Motoland for a minute. Yeah. Thanks to Motoland for letting us come out. We had great weather today, which is a little bit unusual. We had our jackets, and that's not traditionally Arizona. But I've been coming to Motoland for a long time, 09, you know, 2010, 11, with the Supercross track. So kudos to those guys. Big thank you. New owners here, and then of course Mark from Motoland, who used to have the track. Thanks, guys.
Pretty cool to build you a bike that you can actually test out, torture test. I'm excited to see your thoughts on it. Absolutely.
And myself as well. It's been a while since I drove.
Hey, yeah, we're doing thumb trials. We're gonna have all that.
I twist over here on my thumb control on the left. So when I get one thumb on the right, I can just switch over.
Absolutely.